Usually I do Pilates or something to keep me physically active and in shape, but this time I want to do something more for my mental health because I have been very stressed out and very anxious lately, so I just want to pick some yoga that will relax me.
Ooh, I fall in love so hard with you, my baby. Now I'm dripping on you, baby. Give me love. Ooh, give me your love and never let me go, baby. 'Cause we're meant to be, baby. Believe me, I will give you all I have. Don't worry, 'cause I'm the best you ever had. Baby, you're my everything.
I just showered. I have to pack for California. We are leaving day after tomorrow, but I want to be ready like one day in advance just to make my life easier and not be a last minute packer, but let's see how this will go. I'm starting to pack my makeup. The base bag. It's very convenient for travel, has like 2 compartments, and in this first compartment there is like this little pocket which usually holds a mirror, but I've been holding my gouache stone. Especially when I travel, I don't really watch my diet and some mornings are horrible. I'm so puffy and swollen, so having this with me, I don't always use it, but just like gives me peace of mind in case I wake up like all puffy and swollen. I can detox my face and look somewhat presentable. I'm taking 2 sunscreens from Kula. It is BB cream, but very lightly tinted, but it does the job for days that I don't want to wear makeup but I want to protect my face. And the other one is also from Kula. This one is more like gel, and it goes well under makeup or on itself. And every time I go to LA, somehow I don't bring enough sunscreen, so this time I'm packing 2 sunscreens. I'm going to take this It Cosmetics CC cream. It's a little bit darker for me, but I can mix it with the Kula. When I mix them together, it shears out the coverage and it also makes the color more suitable for my skin tone. Concealer. I'm taking this powder from Cover FX, and then I'm taking a bronzer. This one is from Marc Jacobs and it is a perfect cool tone bronzer. And then I am taking 2 cream blushes. Those are my favorite cream blushes. They are from NYC. They are so old, but I still love them and they're probably expired. And I'm taking a blush. This is just a very old L'Oreal blush, but it is a very nice color. I love it because it is warm toned. It has a little bit of sheen to it. It's like rosy brown tone. They're perfect for like summer, just to mimic that sun-kissed glow. A liquid illuminator, a mascara. My eyebrow pencils. e.l.f. eyebrow pencils are the best. A Milani brow gel. It is tinted. It's not the best one, but I'm taking it. Eye pencil, it's in a nice mocha color, and I'm taking black eyeliner just in case I might not wear that. Also, important thing for me is eye drops. I like to have eye drops just because my eyes, they tend to be red in the morning. Here in Phoenix is very dry, so it's in LA, so I'm packing this with me. And also the thing is, like, we are driving, so I'm not really concerned about overpacking, but I also don't want to overpack just because when I have a lot of things, it is so much harder for me to get ready. For lips, I'm taking a bunch of lip pencils that are more like on the nude side, and this has been my favorite lipstick. It is so versatile. It's from NYX matte lip cream in the color Abu Dhabi. This is so versatile. Taking a lip gloss. This one is new. I got this one because I saw Madison Beer using it. It is from Ulta Beauty, and it is very like glossy, and it feels very nice on the lips. This is what I'm taking for now. I might add some more things later on, but I feel like I can pull up a finished look and look somewhat decent with what I have here. And here I'm packing my toiletry bag, starting with micellar water, just to remove my makeup and any like dirt and oil from my face. A travel size cleanser. I have shower gel, which is also, it says it's good for face and body. I use it only on my body, just like body lotion. And I like to put the lotion this way just so it doesn't spill. Then I have this Hyaluronic Moisture Serum from Trader Joe's. That is very good, and I highly recommend it. It's very inexpensive, and I like to put this just to boost the moisture of my skin. Then I go over with just like a facial cream, and this is just a moisture cream from First Aid Beauty, but I had a big container, so I put a little bit in this tinier, smaller container, just so I have like a small size when I travel. And this is the Myro deodorant. An eye cream, some witch hazel refreshing wipes. It's nice to have those on the go. My razor. I have a little bit of cotton pads, travel size lip gloss that I keep in this Ziploc bag, and here I will put my toothbrush and my retainer. So this is this bag. I still have a little bit room left here. I also want to take this perfume with me. I laid everything down, pretty much what I will take. I'm not sure yet. I will start packing. I just want to try some of my outfits because one of the nights I'm going to a birthday party, and it will be a backyard birthday party, and I just want to plan my outfits because I don't want to overpack. I don't want to like overthink the outfits when I'm there. And I don't really wear dresses, but why not? It's summertime, and I might just want to be a little bit more out of my comfort zone, I feel, and wear a white dress and this denim jacket. When I pack, I create like a huge mess, but I want to like try on few outfits just so I don't overpack. Second outfit, in case I go somewhere, just like comfy wide leg pants. This is the third outfit that I'm taking, and it's a little bit dressier than what I normally wear, but just to have options for like lunch or dinner. And I'm also taking these shorts. They're a little bit longer. I don't wear short shorts anymore, but I love those in case it's like super hot. And then this is like a little bit on the dressier side, and the rest I'm taking just like simple tops that will go with anything. In another white tank top, and then I'm taking yoga pants and biker shorts. And I will also take a pair of sweatpants. Those are like a little bit thinner and they're very like summer appropriate, and they will go with like pretty much the rest of my tops. It's oversized like crew neck sweater, but I think I want to pack like a zip up hoodie too, just because like every time I go to LA I'm actually freezing to death. So I think that will be enough. I will just put everything in the suitcase. And those leggings are from Amazon, you guys. I will link them down below. They are better than Lululemon leggings. They're very high-waisted, very soft, and they make your butt look so nice. I will make sure to link them down below because they're so inexpensive and such a great quality. I feel so accomplished. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you around. Turn the bell on so you know when I post. I post weekly. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!